Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove and how to replace the whole glove box assembly. Stay with us and we're going to cover everything from start to finish, guys, because it takes a lot of work and there is some things that you don't know where they're located, hidden. You have 5 hidden bolts, screws, guys, so stay with us and we'll explain where all that is. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get that for a really good price, fast shipping as well, guys. That's the Dodge Dart that we have right here, 2015 model. So let me show you now. Okay, glove box right here, guys. Okay, glove box right here. Stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done, okay, to remove and replace your glove box now. So let's start on it now. So let me show you guys, okay, what we need to do now. Pretty simple. Here underneath, guys, okay, you have one cover. This cover is underneath, okay, that you need to remove. Okay, it's actually this way. Check it out now. It's like that. Under the glove box, it goes all the way in, and you need to remove it by removing these 2 clips. Okay, one clip right here, plastic clip, and one on the other side, guys. Okay, over there. How we remove that? With a clip remover too. You just go, pry it, and it comes out. Okay, and this thing is out of there now, completely out. Next, guys, okay, we have that thing underneath where it actually puts the heat, okay, the blower motor fan outlet for the feet, guys, for the footwell right here. This one has one clip that you need to remove. This clip is located, okay, like that, right here. So you need to get that clip out, you get the center piece out, and then you pull it out and that piece comes out. You just pull it out and it's out of the way. Next, guys, right here we need to remove that cover. Okay, so let's hold the camera quick. Okay, let me come here. It has 5 clips, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we need to get a 7mm socket, guys. We open the glove box and right here, okay, let me show you now. I need to get the camera to be able to show you. Right here we have 2 screws on top. Okay, and this one I need to get it this way going. One is out, one right there in this corner. Perfect. So these 2 are out now, guys. Let me show you what else we need to do. We're going to video from right here now. If you grab your glove box on this side, you will not be able to come out. Okay, that hinge will not come out because there is a device that prevents the glove box from dropping down. Ours is broken and we'll show you that in the beginning, towards the end, excuse me. What you guys need to do, okay, you're going to grab that glove box. Okay, let me show you now. You're going to lift that thing up a little bit to come out. Okay, and then it comes out like that. Now let's bring the camera down. Okay, perfect. And right here 3 more screws, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now our glove box, okay, here, okay, actually came out because that thing is broken, as I said, but otherwise it will be like that. So at that point, okay, just close it like that, guys, and from that point I think you have 5 bolts that you need to remove. I think it was 5, or maybe it was more. Let me see. I'll go ahead and remove the glove box, but I'll explain, okay, we will explain where those bolts are. Grab on this side, okay, right here, grab on this side and pull the clips out of here. So at the same time, okay, let me pass the camera, okay, like that. I can pull the glove box from here and then from over there as well. This is it, guys. Here you will have one wire that you will need to disconnect. This is the plug-in, guys. Ours, I disconnected it because I cannot show you with the camera. You reach it from underneath right here and you're going to go ahead and disconnect it. Now, let me show you guys where all the bolts and the screws are located now. So let me show you those two clips that I told you, they attach right here on the glove box. and the other side over there. The screws, guys, that we remove now, they're on the very back on the bottom. You access them through here, guys. Almost impossible for me to show you. You have 1, 2, 3 screws here. Then you have one screw right there, and you have another one over here. And then, guys, you have a fourth screw, okay, over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 screws that we need to remove, and from that point on you remove the glove box. Now remember how I said that our mechanism that prevents the glove box from going down is broken? This is because it's missing one clip here. Okay, the clip should be attached. It will be kind of like, okay, if I insert that screw now, okay, I want to show you just what is going to happen. We should have a clip there, but let me just show you quick. Okay, if we have the screw now, how it pulls the mechanism, it activates the light and it doesn't prevent the glove box from going down too fast and to break. So you can see everything is out, guys, so you know how to do it. That light, it's supposed to stay right here, you can see just like that, but this one came loose as well. So that's how you guys remove the glove box on Dodge Dart, guys, the whole assembly. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.